Imagine walking down the street and seeing an advertisement come to life on your phone. Augmented reality, or AR, is changing the way brands connect with customers, bringing products into the real world in exciting ways. With just a simple scan, your phone can display a virtual product right in front of you. Whether it's a car, a watch, or even furniture, AR makes online shopping more interactive than ever. Now, instead of just looking at an ad, you can interact with it. Rotate the product, zoom in for details, and even change its color, all with just a tap on your screen. Want to know more? AR highlights key features instantly. Check out the sunroof, explore the GPS system, or see the safety features, all in real time. Not sure how it looks in real life? AR lets you place the product right where you are, on the street, in your driveway, or even in your living room. Customization has never been easier. Change colors, add accessories, or switch features instantly. AR helps you create the perfect version of your product before you buy. Instead of flat images, AR brings products to life in 3D. See every detail from all angles, making it easier to compare and choose what's right for you. Even in physical stores, AR enhances shopping experiences. Customers can scan a product to see its specifications, watch a demo, or even try it virtually before making a decision. Sales and promotions get a whole new look with AR. Imagine walking past a store and seeing virtual discount signs pop up, offering real-time deals tailored just for you. Scrolling through social media, AR ads now blend seamlessly into your feed, allowing you to explore and interact with products without ever leaving the app. And the best part, you can share your AR experience with friends. Snap a picture or record a video of a virtual product in your space and post it online. Want to test drive a car without leaving home? AR lets you experience it virtually. Control the car's movement, test its speed, and see how it feels on different terrains. Want to test drive a car without leaving home? AR lets you experience it virtually. Control the car's movement, test its speed, and see how it feels on different terrains. AR is revolutionizing advertising by making products more accessible, interactive, and fun. Experience the future of marketing, where digital and reality come together like never before.
If you enjoyed this animation, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.